Hey, let me show you how you can fix this issue when you are connected with your Soundcore Liberty 4 Pro, but one of your earbud stops working. So first of all, I can highly recommend you to input both earbuds correctly inside the charging case. You get magnetic attachment, so it will be quite easy. Then you will have to close this case and simply try to charge them for around 10 minutes just to power up a little bit your charging case and both earbuds, just for the 10 minutes. Then when you finished, you will have to open the charging case, and when you take a look right here, you can find this touch button. You will have to click and hold it. And now just take a look on this screen, just right here. Right now, swipe into the right side to get to the left side actually, to get reset option. And now double tap on this button quickly, 1, 2. And you should get this reset successful information. You will hear beep sound. Now you will be disconnected from your earbuds and your device that was currently connected. And you have to simply pair it one more time. Now we will get automatic pairing. As you can see here, the Bluetooth button is blinking. So once you actually switch off the Bluetooth on your device, you can already find them on available devices list. And this is honestly the only way to fix this. The other way, you can use, for example, warranty if you still have one. And that will be all. Thanks for watching.